Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to day 22 of the Escape Room in a Book Advent Calendar. Today we are reading chapter 22, which is called The Differences. Leon pressed the handle, pushed the door open, and suddenly everything shook. He opened his eyes again. He was there, simply there, in the silent wagon, sitting on the rickety chair where he'd settled earlier. Daylight filtered through the cloudy window, and the gentle heat of the stove still hummed. Before him, the old woman, the one who had offered him tea, stood behind her counter, her arms crossed and her chin slightly tilted. She looked at him with a look of quiet mischief and indulgent compassion. "Are you all right?" she asked in a soft, almost sing-song voice. "You dozed off for a while, me boy." Leon, still foggy, blinked and put a hand to his forehead. All these objects, these worlds, this lighthouse. Was it a dream? He stammered a few words, trying to tell, but the sentences collapsed barely out of the blue, like soap bubbles bursting in the air. There was a hut, chicken legs, a light, horns, and then a lighthouse, and you. You were. She listened to him, nodding her head, an almost imperceptible smile at the corner of her lips, like someone who knew the end of a story in advance but enjoys hearing it again. "Well," she said, coming to sit down next to him, "I didn't think my tea would have such an effect. I guess you needed it." Then, even more gently, she added, "Don't get up yet. Catch your breath. You look like you've been through a lot of storms. Is your vision blurred?" Leon nodded, not answering. The wood creaked in the wind outside. Inside, all was peaceful, but inside him, something had changed, as if a new beat had just started in his chest. "Leon's not feeling very well. He's seeing double. There are probably differences between the two images. Help him see more clearly by pointing out the 7 differences in the image." So we have a spot the difference. I was never overly worried about spot the differences as a child, but let's have a look and see if anything jumps out. We've got to find 7 differences. Well, the food in that one is blatantly different. So that's that. Let's go to the site and see what it tells us that we've got to find today. We have the Christmas escape book page. The 7 differences. Find the 7 differences. Differences found 0 out of 7. Well, that's one. So difference 1 out of 7 found. Okay, so that's that one. Let's have another look and see what else we can find that's different. The cat is different. It's got different markings on there to there. So let me tick that one off as well. 2 out of 7 it says, yep. The floor patterns are the same on there. That one. It's quite easy where it's a grid. It's much easier than it would be on a different thing. Let's just see. They look like they're the same dangly things in that picture. One of the dangly things is going to be different, isn't it? No, it looks the same. The dots are going to be different. Is it going to be a tiny little difference? I hope not. I hope they've not gone down that, one speck different route. The bookshelves. That looks the same. That one looks the same. Grain on the table and everything. I gotta find 7. I found 2. There's 5 more differences. They look the same. Looking at the dots in her outfit. The triangles. See, I'd have hidden at least one in the triangles. That looks the same. Books and ornaments. There's something not looking the same between the 2 of them, but I'm not entirely certain. No, it does look the same. And that one, again, nothing jumping out at me as being different with that. The pictures, it's got legs and hasn't got legs, so there's that one there. That's 3 out of 7. Writing on the things, much the same. Can't really tell if that's different or it's just trimmed a little bit differently. The writing on that one's different, so that one up there, that's 4. There's only 3 more to go. Let's see, these jars look the same. These jars look the same, and those jars are different. There's a different lid on that one, which is that one. That's 5 out of 7. top of that's the same. That one's the same. The buildings look the same in the picture. Different things in that jar. 6 out of 7. There's only one more difference. And I bet I've missed it. Yeah, I've missed it. Damn it. I thought I was doing so well. Right, let's go back through again and see if it's something that I've blatantly missed. The floors are the right way around. They're not completely reversed, the look of the floors. Folds in the dress seem to be the same. Leg lines down there. Is it tangles on these things? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. The same number in there. There's no gaps along there or there or there. Hand looks the same. I'm not going to count dots, although I might have to. Ending with 2 on there. That one going across there with 3. Then there's an even pattern. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Big one. One going over the fold. 2, 1. Lots of dots. 2, 1 in the middle. 3 and big one, and then 2. Yeah, that's the same. There's no obvious gaps in any of these patterns. I don't think they've been that sneaky. 2 and 2. 3, 4 and a little one. 3, 4 and a little one. Hair. Eyes. She's got an eyes and a nose in all of them. Same amount of shading between the two by the looks of it. I can't see any other difference now. Oh, that's a shame. I didn't want to have to... Ah, there's a difference there. There's a book missing from that. Oh no, the little book's still there. Why am I drawn back to this bit? 4, big one, little one, big one. 4, little, big one, little one, big one, little one. 4, another one. No, it's the same. Thought I had it there, but didn't. Scratching post looks the same. All the others have been fairly big differences. 2 things in there. One there on the island. Clouds, the same, look the same. If it's going to be under the page of the thing, then I'm going to be very annoyed. That's got the same things in it. Jars behind. One all over the page. One with an eye. One, is there 2 at the back there? There is 2 at the back there. And little one at the front. 2. That one I already did. That's the same things in the jars. These ornaments then, what have we got? 2, 3, 1 and a little one. Tall one. Personally one. Frame with 1 in front. Tall one there, then a little one. One, big one. Little one, round one. They're the same. I can't find a final difference. Oh, that's annoying. I thought I had this day solved, but apparently I haven't. Let me go to the hints. Cat's bowl, yeah. Chicken no longer has legs. Candy jars changed. Yeah, I knew that one as well. Right. That one. I've got them. Got the chicken legs. There is one on that bit. What's different in that bit? The one with the 4 books. The books are the same. Must be on the shelf then. Is there something different on that shelf? I can't see it, even looking and knowing it's in that one. Oh, the writing on the book different? The writing on the book might be a little bit. This one's more oval and that one's more squared. So, okay, I'll go back to that then. Close. Have I got to do them all again? Or can I just select that one? 7 out of 7 found. There we go. I found the 7 differences. Okay, so that is that. And check there's no more story over the page. No, it's the next day. So join me up again tomorrow for day 23. Thank you very much for watching. That was more fun than some of the previous puzzles have been. So I've got high hopes for the last couple of days. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.